No, you use your teeth. You use your teeth and rip off the skin and then eat it. Yeah.
Do I not?
No.
I just watched it.
Alright.
I want to. Should she do it?
Yeah. There it is. Not. Right? It's a different level of sweetness, right?
It's way sweeter than the ones that they served out here.
Meron. Guys, ina, ako baka farag.